Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to fix Rust connection attempt failed. First, right-click on your taskbar and select Task Manager. This allows you to check if any background processes are using too much network or causing issues while running Rust. If the game or Steam is already running, you can close it from here before starting the fix. Next, open up the Start menu and search for Command Prompt. Right-click on the Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator, so the commands can make changes to the network. When the command window is open, type the command to flush DNS and press enter. This clears the DNS cache stored on your system, which can sometimes cause connection errors. Then type command to reset WinSock and press enter. It resets the Windows network socket configuration and helps fix many internet connection problems. After that, type exit and press enter to close command prompt window. Now click on the network or internet access icon from the bottom right corner of the screen and open the network and internet settings. Next, click on advanced network settings. This page shows more detailed network options for your system. Here, click on more network adapter options. A new window will open showing all network adapters connected to your PC. Now, right-click on Ethernet or your active internet connection and select Properties. In the list of items, select Internet Protocol version 4 and click Properties. In the new window, select Use the following DNS server addresses. In the preferred DNS server field, type 8.8.8.8 and in the alternate DNS server, type 8.8.4.4. These are public DNS servers from Google that can help provide a more stable connection. Then click OK, and after that, click Close to apply the changes. Now go back and restart your PC so the network settings refresh properly. If the issue still continues, click the network or internet icon network settings again. Click on Network Reset. This option will remove and reinstall all network adapters and reset network components to their default state. Click Reset Now, then click Yes. Windows will notify you that computer will shut down in a few minutes. After that, restart your computer. Once your PC turns back on, open Steam and go to your library. From the left side, right-click on Rust and select Properties. Next, click on Browse to open the game installation folder. Inside the folder, locate Easy Anti-Cheat, right-click on the folder or file and delete it. After deleting it, go to the recycle bin on your desktop and empty it. To remove the files completely, finally, return to the Steam, right-click Rust again, select Properties, and go to Install Files, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will automatically check and reinstall any missing or damaged files, including Easy Anti-Cheat. This can help fix connection attempt failed error when launching the game. I hope you find this guide useful. If you did, please give a like and subscribe for more videos like this. I'll see you soon.